Want to explore a new destination without blowing your budget? In today's video, I'm sharing the best tips for using public transportation to travel cheaply, giving you more money to spend on experiences and fun. First, research the local public transportation options available. Look up buses, subways, trams, and trains in your destination. Many cities offer apps or websites that provide route maps, schedules, and ticket prices, so you can plan your travel easily before you even arrive. Consider getting a transportation pass. Many cities offer day passes, weekly passes, or even city cards that cover unlimited rides. These passes are often much cheaper than buying individual tickets, especially if you're planning to explore a lot in one day or week. Avoid peak travel times like morning and evening rush hours. Not only can fares be higher during these times in some cities, but off-peak hours are also less crowded, making for a more comfortable and affordable ride. Use navigation apps like Google Maps or Citymapper to find the best routes and track real-time schedules. These apps also offer step-by-step directions, making it easy to navigate public transport even if you're new to the city. Some cities offer free transportation options or discounted rides for tourists. Look out for free city buses, hotel shuttles, or even local tourism passes that include transportation. In some places, you can also rent bikes for free or at a low cost for short trips around the city. Public transportation is one of the best ways to explore a city affordably and get a true feel for the local culture. With these tips, you'll be able to navigate like a pro while saving money. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite transportation hack.